Why a small insurance policy limit might lead to a fast claim settlement and a big policy limit might lead to a slow settlement. Now, most people expect the opposite is true. They figure, hey, if there's a big policy, it's going to be quick and we're going to get paid more. And generally, the opposite happens. So, for example, when there's a low policy limit, I'm practicing law here in the state of Nevada. The minimum policy limit for vehicles is $25,000. So the insurance company knows that generally they're going to be capped at paying $25,000. So let's say there's an accident and the insurance company's insured, the person driving, is clearly at fault. They rear-ended somebody, the police report puts them at fault, and they find out that the damages of the person hurt by their insured are $30,000. Well, the policy is only $25,000, the damages are $30,000, and if they want to go litigate it, the money they spend hiring an attorney and all of the fees involved can quickly eclipse that $25,000 number. So they're going to look at this and go, well, we're probably not going to win because our insured is liable and the damages are already more than our policy. So they may write that check pretty darn quick to get rid of that case. So they don't have to waste money defending it and, potentially having to worry about other things. So let's flip this around and now look at somebody that's got a high policy limit. Let's say there's a driver with a $500,000 policy, same set of facts. The $500,000 policy driver rear ends somebody, causes $30,000 of damages. So what happens next? Well, the insurance company is probably not in a hurry to cut that check. They're not worried about the amount they spend being more than $500,000 because the damages are only 30. So they may want to litigate a while, hang on to their money, spend a little bit defending the case because there's really no risk to them moving forward, and they might wear somebody down, get them to take a smaller number, and at the end of the day, they'll write a check for some amount, but there's no rush. And one of the reasons insurance companies like to drag, stumble, and delay is because they collect a lot of money from all their premiums every single month. And what they do with that money is they invest it. And their investments pay them money. So the longer they hold on to money, the more money they make on their money. So they don't have an incentive to hurry up and pay. They have an incentive maybe to drag, stumble, and delay. So if you're in Nevada where I practice law and the insurance company seems to be dragging, stumbling, and delaying, and you want to move your case forward, please feel free to give me a call or drop me an email and we could talk about what can be done to put some pressure on those insurance companies.